Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. So today is going to be a little bit of a rough episode. So as you can see, we are down 13%, pretty much 14% or over $600 just over Labor Day weekend. But on the flip side, I hope you guys had a good Labor Day weekend, hung out with some friends, family, whatever. But just coming back, it is currently Tuesday, September 8th as I'm recording this. The market just closed and I am seeing red, just red everywhere. So just even looking down, I mean, I guess you see a little bit of green. Some stocks did turn out to be a positive, but these are just stocks on my watch list. In terms of everything, let's see, total today's return. So for today, Tesla for me is down $364. Apple is down pretty much about 80. Smith & Wesson down 18. Amazon down about $18. So I did decide to take out a little bit from Tesla and put into GM because they recently did invest, looks like $2 billion, put in $2 billion's worth of equity into, I guess, Nikolai. I think that's how you say it. That's another EV company that when it first entered the market, it like skyrocketed from I think around 20 or 30 bucks to about 80. And then it's just been on a steady decline since. And now I'm sure it's getting a nice little rebound with GM actually investing into that company. But just something to look into. I actually don't know what it's. Nico. All right, let's do it. Let's see what we're looking at. Okay, so going back, you see it jumped up to about 80 and then went down for a little bit, jumped up back to about 70. Huge dipping ever since. And now it is on recovery. So if you own any shares of this stock, good for you. That's awesome. It is up 40% over the weekend. So very nice return for anybody that had invested into the stock. I had a chance to purchase this stock a little while ago. But I didn't see, like, I don't know why I didn't buy it. But, hindsight 2020, never know what's going to take off and what's just going to wreck your portfolio. So taking a look at a week's worth, I am currently down $1,200, down 24%. Oh man, just due to this tech industry drop in the stock market. I mean, I'm sure you guys have heard if you watched several investing videos that the stock market or the tech industry in terms of stock was overvalued. So this is the needed correction that it had to have. And unfortunately, it just cost me $1,200, so decent chunk. Because at my highest point, I think I had invested like $5,000 into this. So to lose 12 grand like that, I'm just gonna hold these stocks because, like I've been saying throughout my investing series on Robinhood, I'm just putting in money and just waiting it out for 5 years, seeing what happens. I'm hoping I could at least break even within 5 years, but I'm sure it's gotta rebound within a 5-year period. I mean, we're just only seeing this. I mean, we just had a really bad week, so I'm sure within the next few weeks, months, it's just gonna go back up. But just looking at it from a year, you could see that I went up for a little bit, and then had that dip, and then went back up again, and then a little bit of a stagnant period here, and we were at our highest point at over 5 grand, and boom, look at this line. This is the line caused by Tesla and Apple. So this goes to show, I mean, like I said, I'm very new to investing in the stock market, and all of this has been a learning process for me just to figure out how to actually approach the market. At this point, I'm not sure how much more I'll be putting into it, but they say the best long-term investing strategy is to keep buying into the market, not caring what your average cost is. So we'll see how I'm feeling within the next couple of weeks, depending on how much extra money I have around. Do I want to keep investing in the stock market? Do I want to invest it in something that I could actively try to make more money from, like, another side hustle? Like I'm starting back eBay, so maybe I'll throw more capital into inventory instead of just focusing on something that I can't control. But we'll see. I'm still going to be providing updates from my Robinhood portfolio, but let me know how you guys are doing. Just in terms of Tesla, my total return, like I said, I did sell some Tesla, so I'm not sure how accurate this number actually is. But for Tesla, my total return is negative $545. For Apple, we are at negative 142. And just GM, I just purchased today. We're up $4.56. So not sure if we're going to be throwing a little bit more money at GM. Like I said, ever since they threw in that investment towards that EV stock, it did get a nice little boost. So we'll see. 1 year, it's going to be going up towards its highest point. Interesting to see. But we'll see what happens to the market once everything starts opening up after there's like a vaccine for COVID, and what's going to happen with that. And then post-election, I'm sure will be huge for the stock market. So we'll see. A lot of interesting things are going to be happening within the next couple months, and we'll see where the market's at. So this is the perspective of the stock market from a new investor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.